Hi everyone, my name is Sapnik. I work for the HCL RTist team. I'm working as a developer. I have developed a feature, a functionality where we can persist the um, persisted values of an instance diagram. When we start our debug session, we generally get a pop-up asking whether we would like to restore the sessions diagram that was open in the last instance, or would we like to not restore it. So every time a developer goes into the debug session, and the pop-up comes up. That was the original functionality before. So now what we have done is create a preference like this checkbox, remember my decision. So before showing the functionality to do this, I would just like to show, like, if we click on yes, so it restores the first time. So, and then we can terminate this, and suppose this session, we try and relaunch the session once again, and it would ask for the same thing again. So now, whatever the choice the user wants to choose and would like the application to remember, we can use this functionality to make the application remember that. So once we click on this and then click on yes, so it restores the first time. And if we terminate the session and we relaunch it again, it doesn't prompt, but it restores the instance diagram on its own. So what if the user would like to change this decision someday in the long run? So for that, I have developed a functionality where you can make these changes. You can set, reset, or make the application never have any instance diagram dialog box appear. In that case, we select never. So if we would like to prompt it, so we select that and then click on no, and then we relaunch and the pop-up comes up again. So here we can again remember my decision, and if we would not like the application to remember this, so we can click on no, and then it is saved as never in our application automatically. So the never preference gets selected. So this would never restore it on its own. But if we would want to change this value, we can always do that, either of these values, and then it gets sorted on its own. Yeah, that's pretty much me, Matthias.
Thanks, Agnik. Any questions with Agnik?